Dear students, today we will discuss about TCP/IP layering model. TCP/IP layering model. So already we know about OSI layering model. OSI layering model. Okay. So this is open system interconnect. Already we have discussed that there are 7 layers in this model, and in the TCP/IP layering model we have 4 layers. This is the difference in between TCP/IP and OSI. And another more difference is OSI is the reference model, whereas TCP/IP is a practical oriented layering model, where it is independent of any networking hardware, should run across any connection media. So this is the main implementation oriented layering model. That means it is independent of any communication network. This protocol, TCP/IP protocol suite. What is protocol? Protocol, already we have discussed that it's a set of rules that governs the communication of packets. So in the communication network, the data are transmitted in the form of packets. So how the packets are transmitted from source to destination, it will be governed by this protocol. Okay, so set of protocols that are working together for transmitting a packet forms a protocol suite. So we will discuss TCP/IP protocol suite. So in each layer several protocols work. In application layer we have in the application layer of TCP/IP, it is the layer where it combines the functionality of the application layer, presentation layer, and session layer of OSI model. So in this layer this protocol work like HTTP for transmission of packets, FTP file transfer protocol, POP3, SMTP. These two protocols are used for mailing purpose. SNMP, DHCP dynamic host configuration protocol for dynamically generation of IP. Then domain name system, that is, this is the naming for naming convention we will use this DNS protocol. In the transport protocol we have two protocols. Transport layer we have two protocols here. These two protocol works in this transport layer: transmission protocol, control protocol, and UDP, user datagram protocol. TCP is used for connection oriented service, and UDP used for connection less service. Okay, next is networking or internet layer. Here IP protocol is used and ICMP protocol is used. IP protocol is very much important in case of TCP/IP protocols shoot for host to host transmission of packets. Next is data link layer. Here Ethernet and ARP protocol is used. This ARP is for address resolution protocol. Here the it convert the ARP protocol convert IP address to MAC address. So this is the TCP/IP protocol suite, where different protocol works in different layer of TCP/IP for communication in between host to destination. So this is a TCP/IP protocol suite.